Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Vaike. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the newly launched serum by the Derma Co, that is their 2% glutathione and tranexamic serum. I received this product last month and I've been using it for a month now, and finally I'm ready to share my experience with you all. Coming to the product details one by one, so this 30 ml of a bottle retails for 699 rupees and it comes with a dropper. The two key ingredients of this product are 2% glutathione and 3% tranexamic acid. Now this serum is recommended for people who are prone to dark spots, uneven skin tone, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or post-inflammatory erythema. Now glutathione is a powerful antioxidant. When applied topically, it helps in reducing oxidative stress as well as free radical damage to the skin. Helps in reducing early signs of aging. Now 2% glutathione is a very good ingredient if you want an even skin tone as well as reduce any kind of dark spots on your skin and enhance your natural skin tone. Now many people have this misconception that glutathione helps in skin whitening. So I just want to clear one thing, that glutathione is a powerful antioxidant. It does not have anything to do with skin whitening. It will not change the original color of your skin. It will only help in evening out your skin tone, add a radiance to your skin and enhance your natural skin color. If you're purchasing any serum which contains glutathione in it, don't expect any skin whitening or lightening effects on your skin, because it won't happen. Apart from 2% glutathione, it also contains 3% tranexamic acid, which is a very good ingredient when combined with glutathione. Tranexamic acid is a derivative of amino acid lysine, which has antiplasmin activity. Now what happens, it helps in reducing the synthesis of melanin in the skin. If you have uneven skin tone or dark spots or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or post-inflammatory erythema, tranexamic acid is a kind of ingredient which you can easily use in your skincare, and 3% tranexamic acid is a very good percentage to start even if you are a beginner. Now these two potent ingredients, glutathione as well as tranexamic acid, works in the overall health of the skin, and it will add a glow as well as radiance to your skin. Tranexamic acid has been proven useful for patients who are dealing with melasma. Coming to the ingredient list one by one, so it contains ingredients like water, then ethoxy diglycol, tranexamic acid, glutathione, tartaric acid, glycerine, butylene glycol, papaya fruit extract, then guava fruit extract, hydrogenated castor oil, phenoxyethanol, then turmeric extract, disodium EDTA, sodium sulfide as well as sodium metabisulfite. The bottle comes with a dropper which makes the application of the product really simple. The serum is viscous in texture and it spreads very easily on the skin and absorbs within a matter of few minutes, giving a matte finish to the skin. Now for application, you just need 2 to 3 drops of this product for your entire face as well as neck, and you can just directly apply it on your skin, let it absorb for a minute and then follow up with your moisturizer. This 30 ml of bottle will last long as only a little bit of product is needed for your whole face as well as neck. You can apply the serum both morning as well as evening before your moisturizer, but do remember to apply a good sunscreen on top. Whenever trying out any kind of new product which contains various kinds of active, it is very important to do a patch test. So before using this serum also, you need to do a patch test on your skin because it does contain various kinds of plant extracts as well as various kinds of actives. While using this serum on my skin religiously for almost 1 month, I think it has evened out my skin tone a lot, and it also helps in reducing oil on my T-zone area. It didn't break me out and gives my skin a very matte finish. I have combined it with different kinds of serums as well as moisturizers which I have in my cabinet, and it didn't irritate my skin with any of them. Overall, I'm really happy with the product and it really worked well on my skin. You can purchase the serum from Derma Co's official website, that is www.thedermaco.com, and use my coupon code POONAM20 for flat 20% off. This product is also available at Amazon, Flipkart as well as Nykaa. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.